Hey everyone, so this is NapFi where your money saves itself privately. Right now, if you deposit into any protocol such as let's say like Aave, Uniswap or anything, your balance, your deposit amount, your entire position is readable by anyone on the block explorer. Like Fort runners use this and as well as competitors use this. And coming to the second problem, we have if you delegate execution to an AI agent, there is no standard way to verify it actually did what it promised, like no on chain proof or no identity. And third, we have the DeFi automation still requires a wallet, gas, and manual transaction, so normal people cannot use it. And NapFi solves all three at once. So let's get started. So we just sign in with Google by hitting this sleep button here. Web3 Auth creates a wallet in the background using MPC key generation distributed across nodes, and the user never sees a private key or seed phrase. Under the hood, this wallet works on both Flow EVM testnet and Ethereum support simultaneously. And let's wait for some time to get connected. Yeah, it's done. So let's create the agent for us. For demo purposes, we are using 1 USDC and we are hitting this daily. And yeah, so the yield is enabled. So which means the deposit goes to Uniswap v3 LP instead of sitting idle, which earns yield. So clicking this triggers three things on the backend. So it's under the hood. So let's say like ERC-8004 agent registration on Sepolia and vault registration in agent registry. And a scheduled transaction on Flow testnet is created simultaneously. And this is our main dashboard where we'll do all the stuff here. So here we can see our created NapFi agent, which has a unique ERC-8004 ID as well as the vault address attached to it. And we can see the next deposit. For demo purposes, we have scheduled the transaction for 1 minute. And here we have the wallet USDC balance as well as the vault total and other important information here. And this is our connected wallet address. And so yeah, so now let's copy the LP position and check the Uniswap Explorer. Here we can see the graphs and the position for our LP, and so just like that. So let's head back to our dashboard. The encrypted vault contract is on Sepolia, and what the contract stores is a ciphertext. And yeah, so let's hit this reveal button to reveal our balance. To see their own balance, the user triggers a client-side decryption using the Zama Relayer SDK. The ACL on-chain has their address whitelisted, and so only their session can decrypt this value. And we got the $16 as our balance. As I mentioned earlier, we are using 1 minute for demo purposes, and we can see the flow actions here performing a scheduled transaction. The agent scheduler contract implements the transaction handler interface from Flow transaction scheduler. When the scheduled time arrives, the contract fires execution transaction automatically. The execution uses flow actions, which is a source connected pulls USDC from the user's flow account. A swapper converts if the yield is enabled, and the sync routes it to the bridge endpoint. The server is listening for the deposit trigger event and picks it up, as you can see it here. The gas fee is sponsored by the Flow wallet on testnet, so that the user pays nothing. And here we have the timer for the next scheduled transaction, which we can see it on our terminal. And after 5 seconds, we can see the actions in our terminal. So it's done, and we can head back to our terminal to view this. And as you can see, the Sepolia USDC has been sent to the vault, and it called the function for the deposit USDC fund. And that's how the entire flow automation works, and we can view it in our block explorer. And heading back to our dashboard to see the changes. So it will be updated shortly because as of now it's in queue for the flow actions to be completed, and we can refresh this page to see the changes. Currently the wallet USDC is 19 and the vault is 21, and also our balance is 15 USDC. And now we can see, and once the flow actions is done, we can see the changes. And as of now, we have 18 USDC and 22 in vault, and our savings is 16.99. It all increased. We can copy the transaction hash and head back to our block explorer to view the on-chain changes. Here, this is the latest transaction. We hit this hash, and yeah, so we got all the token transfer and all type of transfers here in our block explorer. Instead of sitting idle, the USDC actually earns yield by the Uniswap v3. And this is the actual code where we use the Uniswap v3. and we deployed it on Sepolia, and everything is worked as planned. So let's head back to the receipts page, where every row is an on-chain reputation entry from ERC-8004. The IPFS links open the full execution log. The Etherscan link is the actual Sepolia transaction. Yeah, so we can view our latest deposit here for 1 USDC and the timestamp. And this is the settings tab where we can change our settings. Like we can change the amount and the frequency, as well as we can disconnect our wallet from here. So that's all from my side, and this is NapFi, where your money saves itself privately. Thank you.